Hey, it's Alex at Premier Credit Consulting. I hope you're having a great day so far. At Premier Credit, we talk a lot about what it means to go beyond disputing. And we wanted to clarify for you as a mortgage and real estate professional what that really means. If you've worked with credit repair in the past, you know that disputing accounts has value. However, it's not a magic wand. With our team, we can go beyond disputing to put together a clear game plan for your clients to be able to resolve and ultimately get beyond and get past these derogatory accounts that are holding them back from qualifying. We do this by creating a plan, working with their creditors, both verbally and through a limited power of attorney, and coaching your clients on what it takes to get those accounts resolved so they can get back to you with a healthy credit profile. If you're sick of working with companies in the credit repair industry that are not true advocates of helping your clients build a healthy credit profile, reach out to us directly because we'd love to be of assistance. I hope this video helped and I hope you have a great day. Thanks.